Did you know what the biggest armies in history were? Here are the top 10 largest armies ever assembled. 10. Sui Dynasty, 12,000 active personnel. 9. The Army of Ramses II, 100,000 active personnel. 8. The Persian Army of Cyrus the Great, 500,000 soldiers. 7. The Roman Army, 500,000 soldiers. 6. The Mauryan Empire, 630,000 active personnel. 5. The Tang Dynasty, 643,000 soldiers. 4. The French Empire under Napoleon, 2.5 million soldiers. 3. The German Empire in World War I, 5 million soldiers. 2. The Soviet Union in World War II, 11 million active personnel. 1. Nazi Germany, 12 million soldiers.